Step 1, put on 4-wheel drive snow lock. Step 2, slowly leave your parking lot. Step 3, hi everybody, welcome to the start of a new weekly vlog. That sound that you hear, yeah, that's because everything is still very snowy and icy and terrifying to exist in. And we're hoping that that sunshine out there, we're hoping that the sunshine does some stuff, aka melting some of the snow. But also don't really melt it, because then it's gonna just immediately freeze. So yeah, we gotta like triple check leaving. Well, this side of the road doesn't look too bad. Great. Anyways, hi, welcome to the start of a new weekly vlog. As you saw, I started it by doing some laundry. Today is January 15th, which is Martin Luther King Jr. Day. This is a federal holiday, so typically schools are closed, stores are closed. It's like you have to observe the federal holiday. However, my store is closed, but because students will be returning to campus this weekend, because students are returning to campus this weekend, and because the spring semester does start next week, myself, my team lead, and my boss are all going in today just to make sure that everything is ready to go. Probably do some store cleaning, some store organizing, as well as fulfilling some orders. Oh boy. This is why we put the 4-wheel drive snow lock on, guys, because the rest of this road, I can't see. So that's fun for me. If anyone else is living in the Midwest, I wish you the best of luck with your winter, because ours is insane as of right now. Last week, you saw me finish Ruthless Vows. This week, I have to finish about 3 books to be back on track. Number 1, I need to finish House of Earth and Blood by Miss Sarah J. Maas. I am still on chapter 11, like I've been since probably the first week of the month. Why is this part clear though? But the rest of it, I don't understand how the plowing in this city works. So we have to finish House of Earth and Blood, which, once I actually sit down and like get into it, it won't be too hard to do. And I plan on working, Jesus Christ. I plan on working my whole reading for an hour every single morning back in. That will be a little bit hard to do because I do like sleeping in, but we're gonna have to, okay, you are driving on straight ice and you just zoomed past me. You're a crazy person. Anyways, we absolutely have to finish House of Earth and Blood. Then I need to start and finish Chick Magnet by Emma Berry, which is a Jenny recommendation for a video. And then I also need to start and finish Ivory Tower by Morgan Elizabeth, which is for another video that you guys will see coming soon. How people are going the speed limit, I don't understand. Couldn't be me. Couldn't be me. Absolutely fucking couldn't be me. The roads are, granted, I have 4-wheel drive on, so like I'm not slip sliding as much, but like I can feel the traction on my tires go away at points. Which, by the way, for a person with driving anxiety, fucking terrifying. And if you're like, but Dorothy, you've lived in the Midwest your whole life. You're correct. I have indeed lived in the Midwest my whole life. And yet, I've only had a car for about going on 3 years right now. Okay, bus. Fuck off, bus. I've had a car for about 3 years right now, and for 2 of those years, I have worked from home, meaning I haven't had to deal with the weather when it's being weather. which was great and beautiful and perfect, and I loved every single second of it because I could just watch the snowfall, and then I could be like, oh, look, there's the snow. Oh God, the sun. Did they not touch the road? What the actual fuck? Why is it so bad? What the hell? This is pretty much exactly how I left it. The roads on this campus. This is absolutely insane. I can't see the road at all. Great. But yeah, I got books to read. I got books to finish. I hate fucking driving in the winter. Normally I make my boyfriend do it, but he is sick today, which means that he didn't go to school because yes, his school district doesn't close for Martin Luther King Jr. Day, which is weird and the only school district I've ever heard of doing it. Yeah, I'm gonna go because campus is just terrible. And I am getting more and more anxious, oh my God, by the second. So I love you guys. I'll check in later. Hopefully I don't die. Okay, cool. Love you. Bye. Good morning. It's fucking cold again. Are we surprised? No, it's winter. Oh my God. Maybe I should be wearing my gloves. Maybe I should be wearing gloves. My hands are fucking cold. We'll figure that out later. Anyways, hi, hello, good morning, happy Tuesday. Dear God. Is it gonna be today? I can make it. Okay. Anyways, hi guys. Yes, I know my tire is low. Thank you. How are you guys today? Happy Tuesday. Last night I started Chick Magnet by Emma Berry, which is for a vlog. So I got about 30% of the way in so far. Not bad, you know. And sometimes all you can ask for is not bad. Especially after reading 2 5-star rates in a row. I feel like I kind of potentially set myself up there. Do I need to turn on my 4-wheel drive? That becomes the real question. Yeah, I'm gonna need it. I'm gonna need her. So we started that. We did Discord sprints. We did laundry. We were really just grooving and moving. Last night after I got home. So we had an overall good day, and I will take it. I will take having a pretty decent day, you know. I want the boyfriend also feeling much better. He went to school today, so he only really has like a cough right now, which is fine with us. We'd rather him, you know, have a have a slight cough than be throwing up like he was yesterday. So, yeah, he's doing better today. I think he just needed that extra rest, or maybe his stomach was really upset by something. Who knows? Certainly not me. How would I know? I'm just there to support this man on his endeavors. So, yeah, started Chick Magnet. We watched the Eagles game last night, where they did in fact lose. I'm sure everyone already knows, and if you're like, but Dorothy, you don't give a fuck about football, you're very much so correct. I do, however, care about the Kelsey brothers, which that last night has right now been rumored to be Jason Kelsey's last game, because yeah, if you lose in the playoffs, you're done. And so they're done, and oh, it's Caitlin. Hi, Caitlin. And so yeah, and then this morning there's been rumors about him announcing his retirement. So we shall indeed see. And yeah, what we're doing today is we're just working. We're working and hoping that, you know, everything goes okay. And that's my update. My team lead is directly behind me, so I'm gonna stop vlogging. And with that, love you guys. See ya after work. Hello, I am again a bundle because it is again gold. Very gold, in fact. But we are leaving a little bit early today because I need coffee, and I didn't want to make my own coffee because I wanted a hot coffee. So we are gonna go up to the gas station real quick to go get the coffee before the work. I also need to fill my front tire because it's at 23. And my big old Jeep tires are supposed to be at 35. So we gotta fix that before it becomes a flat tire. So, yeah. Happy Wednesday. Happy Fantasy High Day, in case you care. In case you know about Dimension 20 and you are partaking in Dimension 20. Yesterday was a 5-star day. I'm genuinely shook about it, but why is my car making that noise? I think he's just cold. I'm sorry, Draco. I really am. I wish I could make you warmer, but I can't because it's 0 outside. He mad. He big Yankee. Yesterday I got to chapter 18 of House of Earth and Blood, which means I'm at the 200-page mark, which, granted, isn't much, but it's better than nothing. So I got my reading in yesterday. I'm gonna throw on the Chick Magnet audiobook tonight when I get done with work, so I can do some laundry and stuff. Oh wait, maybe I'm not doing that actually. I might read the ebook. No, actually, we're going to dinner tonight. We have a Buffalo Wild Wings gift card, so my boyfriend and I are going to go use it after I'm done with work tonight. I completely forgot. Wow, would it be nice to remember such a thing. Yesterday when I was leaving work, I just thought about this because, you know, the roads are still kind of bad. Yesterday when I was leaving work, I shit you not, I watched a person just full whiff it around the corner and immediately start sliding. Like, they were fishtailing up the wazoo, and then they did the same thing on their next corner. And I was like, what the fuck is this? How are you not being more careful about driving when you can clearly see that we can't see the road? I was just baffled by the behavior. But yes, we're going on a little date night tonight. So that will be very nice, very fun. My boyfriend goes, what time do you get done with work? And I was like, oh, I'll be done by probably like 5. And he was like, I wanted to beat the dinner rush. And I was like, I'm so sorry. This is the earliest I'm going to be done for the next month. So, which he understands. He gets. So, I will do some reading after work tonight. After we're home tonight, though. I will. I promise. I swear. Gotta at least try to get the next 100 pages of House of Earth and Blood done. Like, oh. Are you coming this way? I can't tell where you're going. There's also no siren. Are you coming this way, my guy? You are. You're coming directly for me. I will stop for you. Be safe. So I need to at least get to the next 100 pages. So we'll see. We'll see how we do to get there. You never know. You just never know. So, I should probably get some stacks for the day. That would be smart. Okay. I love you guys. Hope you're having a delightful Wednesday. You were there. Okay, but you're gonna let me go first. Interesting choices. People don't know 4-way stop signs, as I'm realizing. So I hope you guys have a good Wednesday. I look forward to seeing you when I am done with my Wednesday. Oh, should I see if the air pump is already open or not? If anything, it makes sense for me to park over here because I literally have to turn out over here anyways. Let's see. No, there is a person using it. Oh, but they're done! Oh! Fuck yeah. Get out me way. Let's fill up our tires. Okay. Love you. I'll see you guys later. Bye. Hello, happy Thursday. I know I didn't vlog this morning. I was having a bad morning. I was cranky. Hold on. We have to put our snow wheels on. It is indeed the end of the workday. We are about to go get Culver's. Because we have coupons. So we're going there for dinner because I definitely don't want to cook right now. I'm so tired. My body is so exhausted. So yeah, it's a no from me on the cooking front. We went on a little B-dubs date last night, so that was very nice for us, especially before, the semester starts on Monday and I become so busy that I can't breathe. So yeah, that'll be good. So we're going on a little Culver's date tonight also because we have coupons, but also to spend time together. I did not do any reading last night after we got home. I was just really tired and I was like, absolutely not do I wish to be participating in cognitive thought into reading. I am gonna read tonight though, because I would really like to try to finish Hosab this weekend. No, actually this week, because I wanted to get a vlog up for you guys, but like I've just been busy. Let's just adjust you. Hi. But yeah, it's just been busy at work, and so it's been a little bit draining in the fact that by the time I'm done for the day, I'm just like, I would like to be asleep. So yes, that is that. I forgot how exhausting it is to just have to spend the whole day like on. I haven't done it in a couple months because obviously once like the semester is in full swing, we don't get as many, calls and such. So today was day 4 of 13. So I'm really hitting that tired mark. But yeah, I'm gonna read Chick Magnet tonight when I get home, because I can just throw the audiobook on whilst I do some laundry, because we gotta do some laundry because we need clothes. And then I also need to update my planners because I did not do that yesterday. So they plowed a little bit of this. Still kind of bad, but they at least plowed a little bit of it. Shocking. Magic. Look what happens when we plow the road. Oh, I spoke too soon. But yeah, I just wanted to say hi, because I literally had 2 coffees today, guys. That's how tired I was. I also apparently was so tired I turned off my 6:30 a.m. alarm after it went off, because when I just went back to sleep. Good thing my boyfriend is a teacher and has to leave by 7 a.m. because otherwise I would have just continued to be asleep. Yeah, I just wanted to say hi. I missed you yesterday and this morning, because we normally have our nice little chat. We didn't have our nice little chat. God, I hate this turn. This turn is horrible. You would think after almost a week of this, things would be better. But because it's been so cold, I can't use salt. So like it hasn't gotten much better. Okay, I gotta go. I just fully slid and it was terrifying, and I hate existence. I really hate existence. It's terrible to live in the winter. Holy fuck. Everyone wants to go so fast, and it's so terrifying. I really hate it. Okay, I'm gonna go now. Bye. Happy Friday! It's day 5 of 15 of 13. I'm tired, and it's time to go get our coffee. So I just wanted to say hi and good morning, because I want to put on Taylor Swift and scream. So hi, I love you. We'll check in a hot minute. But I just needed you to know hi. Hi, besties. Hi. I need coffee desperately. Let's go. The sun is sunning. Can I do this and be okay? No. No, I can't. Hi, guys. Happy Saturday. I have worked a full day. I have even just had sweet, sweet Olive Garden with my favorite team lead. And now I'm going to go to the one and only Barnes. And if you're like, hey Dorothy, what have you been listening to? I'm listening to the Mean Girls movie soundtrack of the musical. And if you're like, but Dorothy, you haven't seen that. I don't know, I just want to listen to it. So, yeah, now I'm gonna go to Barnes. So let's go. Hello, besties. Happy Monday. And if you're like, but Dorothy, you barely vlogged. Well, in my defense, this is day 8 of 13 in a row. So, you know, we can all give Dorothy just a little bit of a moment. Let's recap the weekend to end out this weekly vlog. Hi. Sorry. Literally I worked all weekend. That's pretty much all that happened. On Saturday, I went to Olive Garden with my team lead. We had a very fun time. Our waitress was incredibly peppy, and it was a little bit much after our work day, but it's fine. I then went to Barnes, which originally I was going to film in the Barnes because I was going to be like, look at the romance section, but there were teenagers absolutely everywhere. Like, legitimately, I couldn't go anywhere without seeing a teenager. And I was like, you know what? Not today. Not today will my patience be tested like this. So I left. It wasn't worth it for me to be there because I was like, I can't even look in the romance section because these teenagers, who are, some of them look barely 16, are over here saying how they've read Icebreaker. And I'm like, you're way too young for that. Now, was I fully reading smut as a teenager as well? Yes. I feel like it's just part of the female experience at this rate. But do I want to see you doing that in public? No. Because also, how is your parent not watching what you're doing? Anyways, and so I was like, I gotta get the hell out of here. So I just came home, and I didn't feel like reading because I knew I was getting close to hitting my stride in House of Earth and Blood. So I was like, I can't pick this up and then immediately be like, okay, I'm gonna have to stay up all night to finish it because I have to work the next day. So I just kind of vegged for a majority of my night at that point. We did watch the Packer game. We're not talking about it. Everyone is very sad. As we all know, Dorothy doesn't care about football though, so I'm not too pressed, but you know, everyone else is upset. So we're not speaking of what occurred on Saturday night. Not talking about it. They lost big time, and it was really sad. Sunday, I worked. We had an orientation on campus yesterday for the transfer and international students that are starting this semester. So we were a little bit busy, which was good because Saturday was so slow that we were like, what the hell? But at least Sunday we had that orientation to fall back on. And then when I came home on Sunday, number one, before I came home, I had to go immediately to the gas station to put air in my tire. So somehow, between work and leaving work, my tire got down to 13 PSI, which is like really bad considering my tires are supposed to be at 35 at least. And so I was like, oh no, dear God, what has occurred? So I had to go take care of that before I could go home. Then I got home and I watched a video and then promptly joined sprints so I could read House of Earth and Blood, which I am now I don't know if I'm at 50. I don't think I'm at 50% yet, but I'm getting close. I'm on page 335. So I'm getting there. Which, bro, I forgot the shit that happens in this book. This is the first book in this series, and she really does set up so much, but it's so wild because like she does it subtly enough that you're like reading and you're kind of like, oh my god, so much is happening, how can I even remember anything that's happened? Which I think is so smart of her to do because of the ending of Hosab, because the ending of House of Sky and Breath feels so out of pocket, but when you go and look back at everything, you're like, oh, she set us up. Like, she really set us up in the first book, and we were all just not even close to paying attention to what Miss Sarah Janet had in mind. So yeah, I got to page 335 yesterday, and, you know, we're thriving. I'm going to try to read after work tonight as my little calm down, because I'm going to need to calm down, because today's the first day of classes, which means we're about to be bouncing off the mother heckin' walls, everybody. If I do this, I'm gonna hate it. So this will be good for me. Hello. Got my work polo on, got work pants, ready to go. So I love you guys. Thank you for coming along this weekly vlog journey. Oh, I have some scratches from Finn on my hand real quick. So if you guys like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up. Let me know in the comments down below how your week was, what you're doing. I do have a couple of planned reading vlogs coming soon. I just have to sit down and just literally finish the books. So look out for the Sunday videos coming to you soon, my dear reader. And I love you guys. Oh, if you like this content, make sure to subscribe. I post a weekly vlog every single Wednesday with the occasional Sunday video. And Finn and I, he's literally right outside the door. We'll see you next week.